Hello, and welcome back to I Know How To. If you're looking to build practical tech and data skills, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to cover how to add transformation to my table in Power BI app and connect to my table and bring it in as well as additional tables into my model in Power BI desktop. I'm going to demo adding calendar lookup. I'm going to add the following transformations: year, quarter, month, start of year, start of month. So let's get right into it. All right, so here I am going to go to my app. So I'm in the app here. As you can see, app.powerbi.com. I'm going to go into my data flow and I'm going to add a calendar table. I've already added several other tables, but I saved one table just for you before I add it. So here I'm going to go to my table location and I'm looking to add the calendar lookup table. So I've got the link to file already selected. I'm going to copy the name of my table here, .csv, and I want to click next. Now, following that, I'm going to add several transformations. As you can see, it came in the transaction date, delimiter none, and I'm going to say transform data. Now, on this calendar table, I'm going to add some transformation. So here's the transaction. So I'm going to add column. My first transformation is going to be the year. Okay, it's going to add the year. Now I'm going to click back on the transaction date, click add column, and now I'm going to add the quarter, quarter year. Now I'm going to click back on transaction date, and I'm going to add the month. I'm going to click back on the transaction date, and I'm going to add the start of year. I'm going to click back on transaction date, and I'm going to select start of month. Click back on that, and I'm going to click start of week. So add column, start of week. Now I'm going to save and close. I'm not going to refresh here. I'm actually going to refresh from the data flow. So I'm going to wait until that saves for me. All right. Great. So I'm not going to refresh here. I'm going to go back to my workspace here. I want to click on my team, and here where it says data flow, I'm going to click refresh now. I'm going to wait until the refresh is complete. So I'm going to go to refresh history. It's running. Looks like it's done. Double check. And it's still in progress. I don't want it to proceed until it is completed. So I'm going to wait. Wait. should not be too much longer. Okay, so it looks like 2 minutes have lapsed. The last time I refreshed, it took 4 minutes to complete. So it should not be much longer. I'm going to pause for 1 moment. Okay, so the refresh completed. And it took exactly 4 minutes and 5 seconds, just as long as it took last time. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my desktop. This is my desktop, and I am going to prepare to connect to bring those tables in. I do not want Power BI to auto detect new relationships. I don't want it to try and create relationships. So first thing I'm going to do is turn off relationships. So I'm going to go to options, and then under options, I am going to look for data load, and I'm going to make sure to uncheck auto detect new relationships after loaded. Click OK, and now I'm going to get data. I'm going to click data flow because I do have a data flow already connected with one table, but now I'm going to bring in all the other tables that I've created, and they're in my team, inspection team data flow, and I see all the tables that I want to connect. I already got this one, so I'm not going to connect that one. And so that looks right. Let me look at, make sure everything looks okay. Looks like all my columns was connected there. And the city lookup, that looks right. City inspection, region lookup, that looks good. And now I am ready to load. So go ahead and click load. Loading my tables. Going to pause until this completes. Okay, great. So they're all there. Now I'm going to head over to my model view, and here I can see all my tables, which is fantastic. Okay, so that's all that I have for you now on how to connect to a data flow. I do enjoy sharing these walkthroughs, and I look forward to the day where this hobby will be a full-time employment opportunity for me. Remember to subscribe for more tutorials, and feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you in the next video.